So anyone who wants this, to win this, like, share, and subscribe. It'll help my channel a lot, but you'll be getting this Stow and Show. This is $100. Well, alright guys, I tried but I failed on that install. I realized that the old bracket that attaches to the bumper is shorter from the scat pack to the new location of those screws for the wide body Charger Hellcat. So I broke down and I ordered this one, Stow and Show for 2020 wide bodies. And as you can see here, I'll show you. I just opened the box. As you can see, this bracket is longer. The old bracket touches the car is about this long, so this is a little bit longer, and as you can see, it's angled. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and show you guys how it looks. And see, I was right. I remember I was painting this little ring that dangles around. See, now it ships as black, because when you don't have the front plate, this is all you see is this thing right here that dangles around. You see that? Before it was silver in color, and you really see it dangling around. As you can see, I painted mine, but unfortunately we're not going to use that. But see, Stow and Show got smart and they painted it black, so now you will barely see it when it's, plate is off. This is cool. A new design. Even the front, the plate. Let me see. My hands are goofy here. The plate bracket is different. See, it has 4 supports now, whereas only before you can only screw it up top, which sometimes it makes it flop around. But now this time it looks like you can bolt the plate on all 4 corners, makes the plate more stable. So definitely a new design for 2020 right here. We'll see how it looks on the Charger when I install it later. Definitely almost got pulled over the other day, last weekend, for no front plate. So you want to put it on, and then you're in the car events and stuff, you just take it off, kind of thing. Alright, one good thing is Stow and Show actually shot me an email and gave me a discount code, which I can share with you guys. So I'll put the link in the description below, so you guys can use that code when you order Stow and Show for any of your vehicles. We're in the creeper. Installed the license plate in the bracket. All you need is a Phillips screw and a 10mm, or you can use your hand, which I did, to install it like that. Okay, so you don't have to have a creeper, but I'm blind, so I use the creeper so I can see. You can definitely feel it out if you want. It's right here and right here, the holes that you need to install them. You can feel it out. Alright, so let me flip this camera around. So you need a smaller little ratchet and a number 15 torque screw right here. This is what you need to put it on. Make sure you have a little tool, because most of your bigger drill cannot fit in here, so you have to hand tight it. This is an important little tool. Okay, this is also the tool I use for installing the side marker lights, because the axe is in there and just moving your hand like that is hard. So either a finger ratchet or this tiny ratchet will work. Okay, so you just need to put it on these two spots, and these two spots here, one there, and you're good to go. Okay, let me put this camera down, and you know, kind of gonna looks like that, I guess. You're gonna see that. I want to show that to you because a lot of videos that I've seen on YouTube does not show it looks like underneath here. So it's gonna, the mock-up is gonna be like that. So all I need is to put the torque screw in these two holes right here, and you got it installed. And that's how it looks like installed. I'll get up later when this is all put up, okay, to show you. Right now I'm gonna put the torque screw there and there with my tiny little ratchet. As you can see how handy this tiny ratchet is. So if you put a drill in here, it just wouldn't fit because of the angle. Okay, so it's either a finger ratchet or a tiny ratchet. Right, this you can get this from AutoZone or O'Reilly Advanced Auto Parts, what have you. Plug for them, huh? I'm not sponsored here. Alright, and that's how it looks. Tighten it, don't over tighten it, just enough. My head just hasn't, I've been using this type of brackets for a long time in all my cars. The Jeep SRT here, in the Scat Pack, the Durango. It works, man. Okay guys, you're gonna laugh at this. I fixed my problem. Always, as you can see, my inability to read instructions or do not read instruction is the problem. I was so determined to put this black cap cover that I have because I had it on the previous, so it covers that, kind of neat. And I guess Stow and Show is smarter than me, and they figured it out that should actually install it in reverse. This thing that was touching earlier should be outside, and the Phillips side should be inside. It's not touching. In fact, they're so smart, they have a little rubber nub in there, if you can see it. That's the one touching the paint. I guess my ignorance in not reading the instruction is the fix to the problem. As you can see, this one still will do it because I have not reversed that yet. Right, so I will reverse that. This bolt should be outside, and the Phillips screw should be inside, so it doesn't touch the paint at all. Okay, my bad, Stow and Show. You're smarter than me, of course, and I don't claim to be smart at all. So there you go, that's the fix. Don't be like me, read the instruction. Okay, at least this video helped you with that part. You don't have to make some mistakes I do. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Let's see how it looks. It's pretty nice. Now I have a front plate and officially legal. And you can just remove it when you're going to the car show or whenever you feel like it. It's a really good product. I highly recommend the product. Link in the description below. And you can use the discount code that Stow and Show gave me. So definitely well worth it. I know it's expensive, but so is a no plate ticket. So choose which expensive you want to pay. To me, this is a easy solution, and it's removable when you're at the car show. You just feel like it, but definitely well worth it. One thing that I wanted to do is, you know, I have the Charger Scat Pack Stow and Show plate bracket, and I'm thinking maybe I'll do a giveaway in this video for anyone that clicks the like button, shares the video, and subscribe. You just put it in the comment below, and I'll randomly pick that person. So make sure you put in that you like the button, click the like button, you've shared the video, and you've subscribed, and I'll pick a random person and I'll ship you the Charger Scat Pack Stow and Show that I have, and you know, I will figure out how to ship that to you, whoever the winner would be, for free. Alright, let's do that giveaway, since I'm just gonna not be able to use it for the wide body here. Alright, you guys are interested in joining the raffle, I'm gonna give away this one from my Scat Pack. I'm gonna give this one away, so for the lucky winner you'll get this. It works for 15 and up charger. Obviously not for the wide body. Narrow body, this will work. All you have to do is like, share, and subscribe, and let me know, and then I'll pick a random person in there. Alright, I'll mail this to you absolutely free, with all the hardware and instructions that I did not follow. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe as always, and keep on keeping on. Take care for now. Alright guys and gals, this will be the giveaway. As you can see, it's practically brand new, and I pre-painted that little ring for you. Alright, so this will fit 2015 all the way to probably 2018 Charger. Anybody, you know, from RT Scat Pack, because they all have the same hole like there, where you can just put it, remove the screw, the torque screw, and put this on. So anyone who wants this, to win this, like, share, and subscribe. It'll help my channel a lot, but you'll be getting this Stow and Show. This is $100. So if you guys feel like that, just message me and I'll draw a random person, and I'll figure out how to mail it to you. Alright?